Hello there viewers, Alistair here with the third and final behind the scenes filming of Three Fools on a Train. Here I've got the final filmmaking sequence set up, stop motion animation. As we see there with the Lumix camera set up. Again, minimalist set style, as you can see here. We can't see the tube of tape that the helicopter is on. But what we can see is the helicopter itself and the somewhat tacky sky background. But hey, if it sounds stupid but it works, it's not stupid. Yeah, this is how I roll. And with that, one less thing to worry about. So I'll crack on with this, and well, have a good. No, sorry, I can't say that. I'll speak to Tanzig's line. Look, just have a good one, okay? See ya.